This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to create a SurveyMonkey link. Whether you're gathering feedback for a project, organizing an event, or just curious about public opinion, getting a SurveyMonkey link is a straightforward process. Today, we'll go through each step, ensuring you're ready to share your survey with your audience in no time. First, open your web browser and navigate to surveymonkey.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you'll need to create an account, which only takes a few minutes and will give you access to all of SurveyMonkey's features. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is where you can manage all of your surveys. Next, look for the All Surveys section. It might be on the sidebar or at the top of your dashboard, depending on your layout. Clicking on All Surveys will display all the surveys you've created or are currently working on. If this is your first time here, you might not have any surveys yet, but don't worry, creating one is simple. Once you're in the All Surveys section, select the survey you want to share. If you haven't created one yet, take a moment to click on Create Survey to start a new project. For those with an existing survey, click on the title of the survey you want to work with. This will bring up the survey details and options available to you. Now you'll want to click on Edit Survey. This option allows you to make any final adjustments or modifications to your questions and settings. It's always a good idea to review your survey one last time to ensure everything is correct and that you're asking the right questions. Spend a few minutes here to double check the flow and content of your survey to improve the quality of the responses you'll get. Once you're satisfied with your survey, it's time to publish it. Look for the Publish Survey button, which is typically located at the top or bottom of the page. Clicking this button will finalize your survey and get it ready for distribution. Publishing might take a moment, so be patient while the system prepares your survey link. After the survey is published, you'll be provided with a survey link. This is the URL you'll share with your respondents. To find it, look for the Collect Responses section. Here, you'll see the option to copy the link. Simply click on Copy Link, and it will be saved to your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully created a SurveyMonkey link. You can now share this link via email, social media, or any platform where you're looking to gather responses. Remember, the more responses you gather, the more insightful your data will be. So consider sharing your link widely. Thanks for watching and happy surveying.